distinguished guests, on behalf of Udan, Thane Plus, and Koram Mall, I extend my heartiest wishes to all of you as we welcome you to this scientific event. The festival of Holi, which we celebrated on the 8th of this month, which coincidentally also marked the celebration of International Women's Day, is a time for renewal and rejuvenation, welcoming a new season in a spirit of hope and optimism, hoping that the women take care of their health and remain rejuvenated optimally throughout their lives. This is also a special day for us because of the people with whom we are sharing it. It is a particular honor for me to be here with Dr. Manjusha Wagal, Dr. Jayita Devdhar, Dr. Parmanand Jain from Tata Memorial Hospital, Dr. Mandar Natkarni from Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital, Dr. Bhalavat and Dr. Prashant Nyati from Jupiter Hospitals, Dr. Tejender Singh from Fortis Hospital, who we know have rearranged their busy schedule just so that they could join us for this occasion today and share their expertise. Thank you, ma'ams. Thank you, sirs. Incidentally, today is also the International Awareness Day of Gynecological Cancers. India, having the largest population of gynec cancers in the world, this becomes significant. Most of these cancers are preventable and curable in early stages. Large section of society are still not aware, if at all, there is a cure for this increasingly dreadful disease. If the cancer is detected in early stages, is it curable? There are newer methods of treatment that provide comfortable and prolonged life even with cancer, even if it comes in late stages. Cancer is indeed preventable at its best, at least in India. So, let us therefore pledge to make an effort to increase the awareness about prevention of these cancers regularly amongst the public through various means and tools available to us. This event also symbolizes the growth and progress of UDAN, which UDAN has achieved as an organization, and the fact that we can think ahead to a future of continued achievement and success. Not too long ago, UDAN Welfare Foundation was just a young organization with big dreams. Welcome 2012, and I am pleased to say that we have realized most of our nascent dreams and are now on the path to envisioning the possibility of creating a better tomorrow for our society. Over the years, we have seen a wonderful growth in the number of members, volunteers, donors, and well-wishers who work and support tirelessly to ensure that we fly higher and higher with every passing day. All of this is very heartening indeed. In our journey so far, we have been able to touch the lives of the less privileged, with more than 5,000 children and women lives experiencing a positive transformation. UDAN, with its strong team, has been striving consistently for the benefit of children, women, senior citizens, especially focusing on the health, nutrition, and education aspects of needy children, and successfully implemented several projects. Some of our projects under the category of education, we have set up a Dr. PSR Foundation fund and have started supporting the education of 70 children on a yearly basis since 3 years. And we still strive to continue until these children achieve 10th grade. We conduct annual programs for soft skills development for the children from different children's homes from Thane, Mumbai, Asangaon, Ambernath, and Gujarat. These mega programs have helped the children change their views towards life and have motivated them to look forward towards achieving something in their lives since the year 2007. We run a daycare center for the underprivileged children at Ambernath, where 85 children are provided lunch and education after school hours since last 18 months. And now we proudly announce the launch of Udan Computer Education Center for the 300 plus girls of Maniketan Thane. This is a state of art center with full-time teachers and volunteers to help educate computer skills to all the girls residing there. We will be inaugurating it soon. Under the category of health and nutrition, we have immunized more than 900 children with different types of vaccines, and the total vaccination given was 4,500. We have conducted health checkup camps in different children's homes and have had teams of up to 30 doctors in each camp. We have been providing medicines for the aged children and AIDS children. We have been providing nutritious breakfast every day for 60 children in a children's home at Ambernath for the last 4 years, and it is being continued. We have conducted blood donation drives regularly with corporates for Sion Hospital and Tata Memorial Hospital. However, the work does not stop here for Udan. We aspire to gallop further on up this path of rejuvenating the lives of our society's lesser fortunate members through the continual support of our committed members, committed volunteers, individual donors, philanthropists, corporates, and each and every one of you present in the audience today. So now the question remains, what next? Here's a little insight into that. In an attempt to honor the strength and true spirit of women in our society and the world over, we intend to host a celebratory function every year on the occasion of International Women's Day with several issues concerning women. We plan to set up a cancer chemotherapy center in Thane for the benefit of the poor and middle income group. The cost of administration of chemotherapy drugs is steep in many of the hospitals and is unaffordable for many. Udan wishes to provide this service at highly subsidized rates and is looking forward to get donors and supporters for setting up this initiative. We wish to start serving nutrition for the poor cancer patients coming for treatment at Bharat Seva Sangh Vashi from next month regularly as a project. Those who also wish to serve the poor, needy, and the hungry can come forward to join us for our nutrition project. We wish to expand the education funding and our soft skills development program on a larger scale. All those who wish to connect with us in any of these projects can contact us, and we will be happy to discuss our association. Once again, I would like to thank all the members of the audience for having taken time out from their busy schedules to join us. We sincerely appreciate our distinguished faculty for taking time to grace this event with their presence, and would like to extend a special thank you to all the sponsors, supporters, individual donors who have helped us move forward in our mission. Our sincere thanks to our partners Thane Plus and Koram Mall for their untiring efforts to make this event successful. And lastly, but surely not the least, I express my sincerest gratitude towards all my team members and volunteers who, in their own capacities, both individual and group, have worked hard to make this event a success. Their spirit of cooperation and the drive that you have displayed through your efforts is heartening indeed and makes me proud to be a part of the Udan family. Thank you, and I wish you all the wonderful day ahead. Thanks a lot.